Hi everyone, Giuliano here. In this video I'll show you how you can create a quiz in Microsoft Form and then embed it in Stream, in a video or in PowerPoint. This is a good way to collect feedback or to provide quiz at the end of a session. But before to jump in, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay tuned with my next videos. Okay, let's go and I'll show you every step how you can achieve this goal. Let's go. Here I am on my Office 365 tenant. So it's time to create a new quiz in Microsoft Forms. How I can open Microsoft Forms? So you have two options. You can create a new tab and then navigate through forms.office.com or directly in office.com. By clicking on the Waffle menu, you will see this button Forms available, and this basically will open the same website, but you are on a different page. You can create here a new survey, or by clicking on the arrow button here you can create a new quiz, and this will open forms.office.com. I can start to create my quiz now. Giuliano YouTube channel quiz. Okay, let me select an image to make more sexy this quiz. Okay, this one. Okay, before to start with the creation of every question, I will go through the functionality available here in Microsoft Forms. So the first one is the ability to set a theme. There are a bunch of themes available that you can reuse, or you can have just colors with these fancy images, or you can create your own custom theme. I will select the first one. It's fine for me. So then on the ellipsis button, you can open the settings of Forms. In the first option, you can display the results automatically for the respondents. You can also decide if you want to provide this quiz to anybody with just a link or every people in your organization. Then there are other options here. You can decide if accept responses. You can define a validity time range of this quiz. You can also shuffle the questions. You can provide a custom thank you message, and then there is the notification settings that allows you to send an email to the respondents, or you can even get an email for each response. Okay, there is also the button share. This is very important. Let me copy this URL because I will use it later in Stream and PowerPoint. So the first option is if you want to make available this quiz to anyone or only people in your organization. Then you can have a link to this form. You can generate a QR code, or you can embed this form, or you can even send an email with this form. Okay, the URL is fine. It's time now to create the questions. Okay, these are the components available to build the quiz. You have the choice field, the text, rating, date, ranking, Likert, file upload, net promoter score, and you can also create some section if you have a lot of questions. So let me select now this one, and let's start to define the question. How many videos are there? 28, 29, and I will add a third option, 30. So now I have to decide which one is the correct answer. So this one is the correct answer, and then I can even display a message to the respondent. Correct. Okay, this will be required as question, and then I will give 1 point if the answer is correct. Okay, let me add a second question, and this will be a ranking. So, what is the favorite topic of Giuliano in order? Okay, we have soccer, tech, and pizza. Okay, this also is required. The right order is pizza in the second place, in the second position, then soccer, and in the first one, tech. Okay, it's fine. We are good to go. The quiz looks good. Now I have the ability to display the form how it will looks like. So in the computer and in the mobile. So this is very useful. Okay, going back now, I have here Microsoft Stream opened in this tab. I want to embed now and I want to insert this quiz in a video that I have in Stream. The thumbnail here. Let me pause this video. Okay, now how I can add this quiz in this video? This is very easy. On the Pivot interactivity, you can add here a form. So if you click on this button, on this link, you will go through the forms.office.com in order to create a new survey, poll, or quiz. But we all have already done this, so then I will just paste this URL in the form URL. Then I have to choose a name for this one, and then this is very important. You have to define the position on the timeline of the video where you want to display this quiz. So let's say that I want to display at the second 30. So clicking on the button add to timeline, I added now this quiz in the timeline of the video. I have this mark here, this point, and this is exactly the position where the quiz will show up. Okay, now I want to consume this video from another perspective. I am logged in as Ligu and I am a user of the HR department. I want to start to watch this video now. The thumbnail here. Okay, let's say that we are ready to go live. We can. Okay, now we are in the position, in the exact position where I added this quiz, and as you can see here, so the quiz show up, and I can fill out now this quiz. So I can provide an answer to every question. I can order here, so tech, and then we have pizza, and finally soccer. So let's see the result. The quiz it's completed. I can display the results. Wow, fantastic! 2 points of 2. So the first one is correct. Also the second one is correct. So this gives me the feeling that I'm really following in the good way this topic. So and now I can continue the video. So this is a very great way when you need to check if the audience is following you and if the video that you are providing it's understandable. Okay, now I want to embed this quiz in a PowerPoint presentation that I have here. So how I can do this now? So I have just to add a new slide here, and I have this panel already opened, but let's do every step. So you have to click on the insert pivot, and then you will have here the button forms. So here you have the option insert to add directly these quiz in the PowerPoint. So now the form is loading and now it's available in this slide. So that means that I can run the presentation of this PowerPoint and I can display the quiz here directly in PowerPoint. So this is pretty amazing. So this is a very great experience. View result, and that's it. Okay, so then we have seen also how to add a quiz or a survey or a poll. It's the same procedure in PowerPoint. So now let's say that I want to check the responses. So then I will change again perspective. I will impersonate Giuliano, which is the creator of this quiz, and I have here in this tab responses. I have 2 responses available here. If I click here now, I can see the information around the respondents. So I have 2 responses. Average score is this one, status active. I can even review every answer. So Ligu has provided these answers, and this is me when I filled out the quiz in PowerPoint. So you can see every answer. This is very good and very great, especially in the context of education. If you are a teacher and you need to add or embed a quiz in PowerPoint or in a video in stream. Okay, going back now, I can open also this in Excel, these results. I can have some analytics view, I have a pie here, so then I can see every answer correct. So this is it's a very great way to have an analytics of my form. Alright, that was a quick tutorial how you can create easily a quiz in Microsoft Forms and then embed it in Stream or PowerPoint. If you enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next videos. If you want to see me cover any other topics in the future, put a comment down below. I read them all, and this is also how I build my to-do list for my next videos. I hope to see you next time. Bye.